Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me, well, I asked him to send it to me off Facebook. So for the one I'm doing it for, I'm taking the center away, and this is what's happening. If he selects it all and goes to fill it in, it fills in the whole badge. And I was pretty sure this is what needed to be done, but I wasn't for sure about this inside part. So what you need to do is take it all, go up to Object Group, and it's already grouped, or you don't want to group it, it's ungrouped. So what you want to do now, instead of grouping it, you want to combine it. And by doing that, now we can left click black, right click no outline. And the only thing bad is this circle is there. Let's see if it's going to, wonder if we could put it in the front of the page and see what happens. I had not done that yet. Yep. So that's not going to work. So what we're going to have to do, let's back up here and let's look at this as let's look at it on wireframe. There's nothing there. So let's go back to enhanced, and we're going to have to stop this circle from filling in. I don't really know why it does. You know what we could do? This is grouped together, and it, for some reason, is not a round circle. Let's make our ratio lot, and let's make it both of them 1.107. Okay. 1.107. Now, let's make an ellipse that is 1.107. I'm going to back that up. And first of all, he must draw. Let's do this again. Yeah, he draws. That would irritate me to no end. And then I draw a hairline, but that's beside the point. So with my ratio lot, now let's make it 1.107. And let's try to see if we can't do this. Put it right there. I'm trying to not just ballpark it. I'm trying to get it to basically snap to that. And I'm a little bit off. But remember, okay, let's go. Our nudge factor is 4. Let's change our nudge factor to 0.01. And let's zoom in here. And let's move that circle right there. It worked. Now turn it back to 4 inches. And let's take this circle and move it over there. This might work. And I don't know if he's engraving this or printing it. So this is still combined. Let's see if we can't fill it in with black. No, it still fills in. Well, you know what? I wonder if we can get rid of this now. Nope. So that isn't going to work. But what we could, if he's engraving it, we could turn that white and move it out of the way. So that's white now. We don't need indexing lines. Let's take this, it's still combined, and let's make it black. Let's take away the outline. Let's move our white box over there. Let's take away its outline, and let's put this there. Go up to Object, Order, back a page. Or, excuse me, Object Order, front of page. There we go. That white box should not interfere. Now we're a little bit off. I can see that right there. So let's change our nudge factor. And first of all, change your duplicate distance to 0, 0. Let's take this whole thing and just, whoop, even that amount is too much. So let's go 0.001. And let's just move this minutely where we can't see that white. I think that's going to work. And then, of course, group that together, and it's a good, clean vector graphic. I'll actually send you this when I send you the video. Group that together. Now, I don't know about the other ones. You know, probably the same thing. It's got that same. Let's actually look at it now. Let's do a yellow box trick. I've yet to have somebody tell me why they draw. Well, see, that white is showing through. Let's try something else now. Let's change our nudge factor back to 4 and ungroup it. Grab that center, move it out of the way. There's our white. You know, let's try this. Let's go back minus front. All right, it worked. Perfect. So a little bit complicated, but surely worked. I would maybe change these lines to a thinner line because you can't really, I mean, I can kind of tell what it is, but if you had a thinner line there, you might want to just try that. Anyway, but that would engrave pretty cool. I will group that together and send it back to you. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.